Volvo Cars and POC are collaborating to improve traffic safety for cyclists.
When trying to save lives and reduce consequence of accidents, we're trying to look at various perspectives of safety.
So, Volvo Cars' approach to protect cyclists and pedestrians is to support drivers with active safety technology that can help avoid dangerous situations. We introduced pedestrian detection with auto brake in 2010 and cyclist detection with auto brake in 2013.
So the collaboration between POC and Volvo, having test models to look at the impact between a head with a helmet and a car, it brings much more knowledge and insight into how we can improve safety.
What we're doing is that we're using the head impact test protocol that is a standard. For this research, we fit helmets to crash demo head impactors that will launch towards a static Volvo car.
Coming to the Volvo lab and seeing the state-of-the-art equipment and the professionals working there is actually at the very highest level globally. So for us, it's both very humbling and very attractive to get into that environment.
This research helps improve helmet safety, and it provides Volvo Cars with valuable insights and learnings for future development.
Wearing a helmet as a bicyclist reduces the risk of sustaining a head injury and a brain injury with up to 80%.
We get head injuries and we get spinal cord injuries. Usually they are very devastating, these injuries.
Cyclist crashes are really complex, and this is why we need to collaborate with other parties to really cover all the topics and issues in order to improve traffic safety.
So to partner up with Volvo, being a car manufacturer caring about safety, is a very strong collaboration for us to learn how the interaction between the cyclist and the car works and how we can do something to make that interaction safer.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.